Do you have leftover hot foil? Now you can take this to this without using this. Stop fighting with your solid hot foil plate for your leftover hot foils today. I've got a really easy hack to share using toner sheets. Yes, I know this is hot foil and not regular toner foil, but it does work the same or very similarly with the toner sheets. Previously, we've only had the black toner sheets, so when you see the image coming through in the leftover or the negative space of the hot foil, it was always going to be black, and I didn't particularly always want that look. These toner sheets work perfectly. And now there's a couple of new colors, or one is actually gold and the other one's white, and this is a game changer for me because often I just want the white background again. So I'm going to show you how it works, and it's really easy to do. So basically I have a white toner sheet here. I'm going to treat it like it's a normal toner foil. So I want the pretty side facing up, and then I'm going to pop it in my carrier sheet and run it through my laminator. I would test your laminator and the kind of foil that you're using. If you didn't want to commit to using a whole background, just do a small piece or a practice piece first to make sure that your sandwich is going to work. I found that the mink on a setting of 2 worked beautifully. This is also a great way to get matching or coordinating metallic cardstock. And a couple of quick tips I want to share with you when using these toner sheets, especially the white one here. Make sure that you allow plenty of cool down time before you remove the foil, and to pull the foil away from the toner sheet really quickly. Check out that beautiful foiled result. How glamorous is that? And also the leftover piece of foil. There's no waste. I'll list everything I've used in the description below. Thanks for joining me. I hope this has been helpful. And here are a couple more videos sharing some hot foil fabulousness. I look forward to seeing you there. Till next time, happy paper crafting. Bye.